Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing a beginner cha-cha solo routine. We're going to do it into two parts. We're going to go through the steps with the counts and then we'll put them together at the end with music. Okay guys, let's start with the first part. We're going to start with our feet together. We do a basic step, side together, side and forward, back and side together, side and back, forward. From here we have a forward lock step, forward lock step, and we walk. We have a forward walk turning, back lock step, back lock step. We step back and forward. Now again, we have another forward lock step, forward lock step. We step forward, forward walk turning. Then we do back lock step and back, forward. And now with the counts, we have 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 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 2, 3. Alrighty guys, now the second part. We just finished with our right foot going back and then forward. From here we are going to go into a New York. We have side together, side and cross. And now we're going to go into a hand-to-hand. Side together, side, and now we're going to step back, back, forward. From here, we're going to do a spot turn. Side together, side, spot, turn, side together, side, step, turn. Now, from here, we are going to do a time step. Side together, side, switch, switch. And now we're going to do another time step and we're going to do a there and back. So we have cha, cha, 1, 2, 3. We're going to run backwards with our right foot. Run, run, run. We step back with our left, back and forward. And another run, run, run forward, starting with our left foot. Run, run, run. And now we step to the side with our right, side, together. And then that's from the beginning. Okay guys, now with the counts. We stepped back on 2, 3. We have a New York. Cha, cha, 1. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 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 2, 3, and back to the beginning. Okay, now we are going to put the first and second part together with my counts, and then after with music. Right foot is prepared to dance. We have 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 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 2, 3, and beginning. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you found this video easy, we will be posting an intermediate and advanced cha-cha routine. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!